Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our first time single take honest reaction to Debbie Boone. And the song is You Light Up My Life. It's a request of our patron Jeff. Let's listen to the song. This should be our first time listening to Debbie Boone as far as I remember.
So many nights I'd sit by my window waiting for someone to sing me his song. So many dreams I kept deep inside me, alone in the dark, but now you've come along and you light up my life. You give me hope to carry on. You light up my days and fill my nights with song. Rolling at sea, adrift on the water. Could it be finally I'm turning for home? Finally a chance to say, hey, I love you. Never again to be all alone. 'Cause you light up my life. You give me hope to carry on. You light up my days and fill my nights with song. 'Cause you light up my life. You give me hope to carry on. You light up my days and fill my nights with song. It can't be wrong when it feels so right. 'Cause you light up my
Wow,
Nice.
what a beautiful voice. I thought of Karen Carpenter's voice
Wow, that's a compliment.
while listening to this.
Wow,
Thought of it.
thought of it.
Beautiful voice.
Yeah, this is a beautiful song as well. The music goes higher and higher as the song progresses, and it makes you feel very good. Right now, with the weather like this, it is super hot in India already. Within a matter of few days, 4 to 5 days, we are facing a tremendous amount of heat already. We sweat a lot during these reactions as well. And I'm hoping this coronavirus, the virus that is fluffy and light and whatnot, some
It's definitely not as fluffy as Fluffy, the stand-up comedian.
Iglesias fluffy, that's
Gabriel
right.
Iglesias.
Yeah, Gabriel
Definitely
Iglesias.
not that kind of fluffy. It's actually fluffy.
It's
this
actually
virus.
fluffy. What I was thinking was, now in our country, in India, people are of different types. People are funny, people are weird, people are happy, people are sad. All kinds of people you meet here in India. In the eastern part of India, some people made sweets looking like coronavirus. They wanted to eat it up so that it gets over. And I was hoping with the summer hitting us like this, when we get roasted, probably we can eat some corona roast as well. You know, it would be nice like peanuts or something, corona is roasted and you're eating it.
Whatever that means.
It gets roasted in the air, I hope, and it should be served.
It dies. It's not going to die though. I think we have to be ready for a long haul. It's going to be part of our life for a long time to come.
It seems to be seasonal thing
Yeah,
now.
if only people had taken the early warning seriously.
Yeah.
It all boils down to that, I mean, we took it very seriously.
We have taken.
I remember it was late Jan, and when we first started getting news of this deadly virus,
real news.
we didn't even know what it was called. At that time, everybody was calling it the Chinese virus,
Yeah.
and for good reason. And so we just heard about it. We realized people are dying in China, being a neighboring country of ours.
We were
And we
worried
get
about
so
them.
many of products and all from there.
Yeah.
We actually stopped buying things online because most of the products you order, there were some big sales also.
Yeah,
but we
going
didn't
on
buy
that time.
anything. Our entire family, even a lot of my close friends, we were smart enough to realize this is something big. This is something very serious. So we stopped traveling. We stopped, buying products online, especially the Chinese, made in China products. But I don't know what happened to America, what happened to Italy, Spain, France, Germany, UK, all these countries. I don't know what they were thinking.
They didn't-
I mean, even in India, there are many foolish people, ignorant just like they are.
I will tell
And we paid the price for that, all those people. And even us, who knows tomorrow, because of that, just a tiny moment's carelessness. Just yesterday, there's so much focus on coronavirus in the world and even in India, that we are neglecting many other things that
Almost
we're supposed to be
everything.
doing. Yesterday in our society complex, it's a large society
Housing
complex.
complex, yeah.
2 trees fell very close to our building.
Giant ones.
And there's one right in front of our flat where we do our recordings right now. A huge tree. And if that also falls, and if it falls on our building is sure to break with it.
Gets
Because it's a very old building. So those 2 trees, they were so lucky, I don't know, it just fell in between both the other buildings. Our building and the neighboring building. It was pure luck. But I don't think it will be that lucky the
Every
third
time,
time,
yeah.
fourth time round. There are 2 very big trees in front of our home.
mysteriously
In the same
falling.
building complex. Not mysteriously, it's purely because nobody's been watering them. They usually used to water them in the mornings and evenings. I knew that was happening, but now they've not been doing it for over a month. Because people are not allowed to come out and all that. And also because nobody walks behind now. So the white ants are active all over the world. The white ants,
Lot of
it's
things
probably
are
something
active
that's
right now.
happening. A lot of things which are, because of people staying at home. Whatever things can happen outside, the damage due to insects, reptiles and all that thing must be increasing, and that will be the next epidemic. That will be the
Because
next
there is
epidemic.
less tremor on the ground.
The moment the coronavirus goes down, that will be up.
Something
Anyway,
else.
coming back to the song, what a beautiful voice. She's talking about him lightening up her life and all
Lighten up
that,
my
the
life.
partner, this particular person. I just hope the coronavirus goes dark. It just lightens up all our lives by going dark, by dying. And also, people also focus on other areas of their life, not just be obsessed with the coronavirus and neglect every other area of their life. It will cause more damage. It will actually cause more damage not just in the long run, but short run. A lot of damage. So let's not be callous right now. We already made a mistake of taking it very lightly. It's all easy to blame other countries and stop funding to the WHO and all that. That's fine.
That's
And
good.
on that note, I don't know what the other sissy leaders of the world are doing.
They should
America
also do
stopped the
something.
funding. What are the other sissy leaders of the world doing, including
should
the
stop it.
sissy leader of my country? What are they doing? Why aren't they stopping the funding?
Yeah.
Support America, at least one good thing they're
He's
doing.
manipulating his way, whatever he's
Yeah, but
putting in.
anyway, the fact is,
The TED Talks I'm talking about.
let's be aware of all the things that light up our lives. Let's not neglect them at a time like this or any other time. Let's focus on them. Final thoughts, Kirti.
I like her voice. is still ringing in my ear. We spoke about almost everything around us.
No,
But our voice
right
is
now,
enchanting.
we need to.
We need to talk
It's
about things.
much more important than the songs that we're
I know,
listening to.
I know.
Whatever's going on in the world, and with our knowledge as counselors, we are not, ordinary reactors
We can
from
share a thought
America, UK, or things like that who are illiterate, who are uneducated, who don't know a thing about music at most times. We're not any of them. We know a lot about life. We have studied a lot. We are postgraduates, we are master's degrees holders. We have a lot of experience under our belt. If we don't add value to the music that we listen to, or try to add value to the things that we are, here for, if we don't talk about what's going on in people's lives, what use are we? What use are we? And for people who don't get what we do or don't get the value in what we
They
speak,
are not the people you
they are
watch.
not the people we want on our channel. We are very happy with the number of subscribers we have, the dislikes, the comments. We are very, very happy with it as of now, because we've realized that it's better than having crap on our channel. Literally crap on our channel is better than having all that crap. Comments wise, dislike
We like
wise,
substance.
people wise, is better than getting rid of them. It's better to have the best people around, and obviously that means just few people supporting us, enjoying our reactions. So be
Get
it.
the baby
Because we
blend.
don't want to go to all the crap out there. We don't want to. We're not here for the crap.
By the way, there are some of you, are you watching this video as well? Some of you were so hateful towards Rick Ashley for disliking that video, disliking his song. Why is that? Why be so
They
hateful?
were not hateful for Rick Astley. They were hateful for a joke that I made, and most of them didn't even get it. And I will leave it at that.
Okay.
As a reaction to know what I said.
Okay.
It was about my voice. They said, keep your day job. My reply to that is what upset a lot of people.
Oh, I thought Rick Ashley they were being targeting.
No.
Okay, that's fine.
They like Rick Astley. Why won't they? Why won't they
I
like
liked
Rick
him
Astley?
too. I liked him too.
For that matter, his ratio of likes on the video is pretty high.
Much higher.
Why did you notice the dislikes?
No, I thought it was for him because a lot of people
No,
said
but
that.
why does it matter when we have so many likes, an amazing number of likes, 10, 20 times more than the dislikes? Why are you worried about those few
Not really
few
worried.
people who are illiterate and cheap and downright ignorant about anything, about things in general? Why are you worried about